Hi, I'm C. Howard Roden, otherwise known as Courtney Chross, and I'm an animator. I started animating as way back as primary school, when we would flip the pages of our books. Everybody else was doing stickman. I'm actually drawing the characters and flipping the pages. There you go, animation. But I was introduced to paints in the on your computer, where I would draw each characters in paints and create a film using an editing software that I would have on my computer. That's how I actually started out doing animation, until I was granted access to several other animation softwares, like Toon Boom for one, and there are others out there, right? But I mainly use Toon Boom. I'm in love with Toon Boom, and I push myself. I actually taught myself how to use the Toon Boom software, which is rare, because it's a very complicated software. This program that you're about to see is called Chronicles of Xayma, entitled Jamaican. This is a local superhero who has been charged to save our atmosphere from all of the pollutions that we've developed over the years. And his villain in this episode is one who creates pollution, right, to try to eliminate mankind, right? So please watch the animation. I hope you enjoy it, and take care and be safe.